Federal government begins distribution of 1,000 CNG conversion kits to states. In a significant and urgent move to ease the impact of fuel subsidy removal, the Presidential Initiative on Compressed Natural Gas has launched the distribution of 1,000 CNG conversion kits across various states in Nigeria. Michael Oluwagbemi, the esteemed program director of the initiative, announced at a press conference in Abuja. He emphasized that this initiative not only aims to reduce transportation costs, but also has the potential to create over 100,000 direct jobs in the next 3 years. The ambitious plan targets converting approximately 3 million vehicles to CNG within the same time frame. Commercial transport operators will benefit from free conversions, a strategy designed to directly address the burden of rising fuel costs.
The states are going to be the biggest beneficiary of this policy. Then I think states should invest in the policy. States should acquire CNG platforms and should outrightly ban the acquisition of petrol vehicles, the way federal government has done it for their own fleet.
The PICN facility in Ibafo, Ogun State, warehouse manager Moses Onate unveiled some of the conversion kits to the press. He revealed that 450 kits have already been allocated to states, with an additional 550 ready for distribution. Onate urged Nigerians to embrace this initiative, emphasizing its potential to significantly reduce vehicle fuel costs. The conversion kits enable vehicles to run on compressed natural gas, offering a cleaner and more economical alternative to petrol. Stay tuned to Naija 'News' News TV for more stories.